Hi everyone, Travis Haas coming to you live here from the Transwest headquarters in Brighton, Colorado, right outside of I-76. And today I'm going to be going over a very popular trailer that we have. This is the DF53BTR. So this is a Dorsey drop deck trailer. And Dorsey's a manufacturer out of Alabama. They've been around for over 100 years, so they do a really great job and build a really great trailer for us. So just starting on the front side here, we got your 7-way plug and your air lines. And then we got the stake pockets for you to put a bulkhead in if you're hauling that type of load to stop stuff from moving forward and just enhance your safety. And then if you're looking up here, we have the kingpin coming in at 24 inches, which is how they come standard, but we can always change that for you if need be. And if you want to follow me over to the side here, we have your rub rail that we have on 24-inch centers, and then your stake pockets. The decking here is Apitong, 1 1/8 inch Apitong, so super strong stuff. And this top deck here is going to be 10.5 feet. So 10.5 feet top deck with a 27-inch drop to the main deck, going towards the Beaver Tail ramp transition in the back, which is 5 feet, making the entire length of this trailer 53 feet long. So the main deck here is 36 inches from the ground, and then a little easier to look at from the bottom of the trailer. But a really nice feature about this trailer is the web. So the web here is one single piece from front to back, so nothing's welded together. And then you have your top flange and bottom flange, both 5 inches, 1/2 inch for the top flange and 3/8 inch for the bottom flange. And then we also have sliding winches here on the driver's side. So we have 12 sliding winches between the top deck and the main deck. That way you can put them wherever they need to be to help secure your load. And then follow me back to the axle part of the trailer here. This is on a 10-2 spread, which is pretty common in the industry. And then we bring these rims on steel, but you can also get aluminum if you'd like to do that. This particular trailer doesn't have a toolbox, but we can always have it spec to have a toolbox for you if that's what you need. For the tires, they're 255/70R, 22.5 inch rubber. So and then coming all the way back here to the Beaver Tail ramp transition part right here, we do have these rails here, so it's a lot easier to get your equipment up here. And then these Beaver Tail ramps, they are spring assisted, so if you're doing that kind of thing, you know, all day long, you might have a sore back, but it is possible for one hardworking man or woman to get these down. So you're able to do it yourself. And then we also have the ABS light here. It's on these Dorsey trailers are going to be LED, so it enhances the safety, but also just makes these trailers look super clean and super nice. So, you know, these trailers are very versatile, and they're great for our friends in the agriculture industry. A lot of farmers will use these trailers to haul hay, but it's super versatile. So our friends in the construction industry and the oil field industry will also use these trailers because they're so versatile and you can put different pieces of equipment on them. Also, if you're an owner-operator just starting out, this might be the perfect trailer for you because it doesn't limit you to what you can haul. You can haul all sorts of different loads and not limit yourself. So if you're interested in this trailer or any others, give me a call, 303-728-4522, or shoot me an email. It's travis.haas, Haas, @transwest.com. So let me know what you think, and we'll see you in the next video.